Everybody say me trouble you, but nobody ever remember say you trouble me first. You understand? Cause Shenseea, you're a sneak.
Welcome back, viewers and the subscribers. Wagwan. I wanna know the drilling on the subscribe if on the first time over here. So see me. So Amari come out and say she a go sue Shenseea and one bag of sitting upon one live differently and thing and you don't know, she love Shenseea and him still, we know this still, see me. And don't feel like say Spice get left out now either, cause watch her prayer now, she say the son in situation with the white caps them.
You see how you're going like you're innocent though, but you're not. People soon find you out, Everybody say me trouble you, but nobody ever remember say you trouble me first. You understand? Cause Shenseea, you're a sneaking pussycat. That's what you are. You're not that innocent. No. People will take with people, man, is not innocent. You understand? You take a Ramesh from him girl. Him still go there and go get her pregnant. And you have to deal with the embarrassment. And now you want to come embarrass me. Not try embarrass me. At 10 years, me and my ex there. No. This girl do a song where she thief the beat. She thief everything in this song. She thief JC Lodge Telephone Love. She thief the next guy that the saddest day of my life beat. And as if you're not embarrassed enough jumping out of a jerk pan, you have to turn around and post me and my man. And the thing about it, I have to go to our page several times and say, this cannot be true. Me said, no. And right, you know what you're fucking doing because y'all look views. First of all, I don't buy followers. I will never buy followers because when you buy followers, the numbers change all the time. Now go on with my thing because I know I'm done popular. But this girl is very bright and out of order. I not deal with my ex-man no more, and the world knows say I always say I have my man in Africa. And this girl I got post up Colin and me in a bed. You remember that long time video there? And put our song to it and talk about run, run, run. Okay, you get some free promotion off of me, but I hope the world realize that you live off of me from last year when you sing my song Nico. That's how you end up with Dancehall Artist of the Year. You run with it. And then you send your birds them palm if you say you should have did do the song because you do it better. You're a sneaking like a rascal. But do not start what you cannot finish. The sad thing is nobody I remember say you fast with me this morning and they might not take down your page and me put up the video know for sure what you do to me, and then take down my page. Cause me not no luck. Maybe it's a setup for me go repost it and then come after me and take down my page. But me have the proof. And one of these days when me and goodies them a talk and thing, me I go show them say he's a sneaking bomber clot. Maybe one of these days when them say you're so innocent, me I go say look what the girl do. Or you go post me and my man. If me not significant, you never call my name yet, If me not significant, if me not important, if you don't rate me, if you don't do a collab with me, why the fuck you posting me and my man on your fucking stories? You not rate me, You not rate me whatsoever, but you stealing my styles. First of all, you steal our Figoso. You steal Nico. And you turn around and look promotion. My girl, straight up, that song they not go away. What go on with you and Splices as you not come out with something, it don't last. And from the other day, me put out Dirty Bungle. And Dirty Bungle just a take off. And me don't even do the official video yet. It cannot last, kind of not real. See, she have to embarrass herself by making it seem like her son get locked up. All that. All in something that me no do. she have to go out of the way and hire a white actress will play police and put fake news and say her son get locked up. Now call down things pan your pitney. My girl, me no move like that. My life is real. When I did work up there, I met my 3 kids them get locked up. That was real. And it go viral. So you gotta try to come with something like what did happen to me for you go viral. In a copycat. And then you need to stop it. The Gleaner, the Observer, Mag News, the whole of them, Dancehall Mag, the whole of them is recognizing that you're not copying me and walking off with the awards them. Don't think them not noticing. Don't think people not noticing. You understand me there with my sick self and itch, may I tell you leave my pum clot alone and stop get me in a mix up. You understand me not borrow man at 10 years me there with the man, so me don't know where you try to prove. And me need for show goodies, you know. So that girl a troublemaker, you know. They really need for show goodies, you know. You know much time I go back to the post and I say this cannot be true. Right now I send the post to my son David end up on the plane and David said, why would she do that? Why would she do that and play innocent? Go on like say she a virgin. Bitch, you're not innocent. And may I ask if you cease and desist else, may I go sue your blood clot. You want bet say you have to go cease and desist. What? Yeah, you sue me and I sue you. I saw it a go. You understand? But if you don't leave me and my man thing off of your stories, I go sue your blood clot. And you know so I'm good with the suing thing. I like to sue. So come here, H. Try that again and say. As a matter of fact, I go report the post. So if I like you, I take it down right now. Yeah, y'all look views and y'all go get some views today. It's in the bitch story. You understand? I'm going to report you. You're too bright and out of order.
Whoosh. Yeah man, so the dad is shell down piece of Connecticut dad and it viral all over the media, so me da forget piece of the flag. You see me? Cause the dad them same can't perform, you know, and more know what this mean, you know, cause the energy and the reception was wonderful. Big up yourself, young lad.